We'll start our practice from left edge of the mat. Come on the left edge and stand in Tad-asan. For Tad-asan, keep your feet together, your full body is straight. Uplift your kneecaps, tighten your thighs and core area, and staying in this position, take 3 deep breaths. Now join your hands in prayer position, extend them towards sky, and as you inhale, bend towards right direction. Take 1 deep breath, and as you exhale, come back to the center. Then as you inhale, bend towards left direction, and as you exhale, come back to the center. Now open your arms straight. Open up your right leg towards right edge of the mat. Bend your legs at knee and arms at elbow to transition into goddess pose. And hold this pose for 3 deep breaths. Straighten legs and arms and stretch your body towards right direction. And then fold your right arm over your right leg. You can either lower your palm to your knee, shin or feet depending on your comfort level. Try to keep your back and feet aligned in same plane. Hold for 3 deep breaths. Now twist your torso in right direction and lower your left arm on the right shin or feet or knee. So you are folding your torso over your right leg. Keep your right leg completely straight. Even if you are able to reach your hands only till knees, it's fine, but don't bend your legs. Take 3 deep breaths. Now slowly bend your right knee and lower your left knee to the ground. So in your right leg, your thighs and shin will make 90-degree angle. Don't extend it too much. And then keeping your back straight, sit on your left knee. You can keep your palms on your right thigh or knee, both the palms. If this much stretch is enough, stay here for 3 breaths. Otherwise, if you want to feel more stretch, join both your palms and extend them towards sky. And then slowly try to bend towards back side. 3 deep breaths. Come back to the center. Release your arms. And then sit on your right feet, stretching your left leg straight, and you are facing the longer edge of your mat. Keep your back straight. And then slowly transition your weight on your left leg. So you will fold your left leg at knee. You will sit on left feet, and now your right leg will be stretched and flexed. Keep your back straight. So now we are going to repeat same asanas in opposite order on our left side. So now twist your body towards left direction, shorter edge of the mat. Lower your right knee to the ground. Keep your left leg bent at knee, making a 90-degree angle. Keep back straight and sit on your right knee and left feet. You may keep your palms on your knee or thigh, left knee or thigh, or join both the palms and extend them towards sky, and you may bend backward. Take 3 deep breaths. Then come back to the center and release. Now keep both the palms on your left leg wherever it's reachable, knee or shin, and lift your right knee above ground and straighten both the knees. Your body is twisted towards left direction. Your torso is folded over your left leg. Then keeping your left arm on your left leg, you are going to open your right arm towards sky and open your body towards longer edge of the mat. Again, you come into triangle pose and hold it for 3 deep breaths. Now come back, straighten your body such that your legs are open, arms are open, and bend your legs and arms to come into goddess pose. Hold for 3 deep breaths. Straighten legs and arms again and join your left feet to your right feet on the right edge of the mat and join your palms together, extend them towards sky, and this time as you inhale, bend towards your right direction. Exhale, come back to the center. Inhale, bend towards left side. Exhale, come back to the center and release to come back in Tad-asan. So now this completes one cycle. Now next cycle will start from right edge of the mat and we will go in same order. Repeat at least 6 to 8 cycles. It is very beneficial if you do it in the evening when moon is up. You can do it any time of the day, but it is generally recommended to do it in the evening. It's a good routine to follow after office hours when you come back home. Please try it and let me know how you felt after doing this and if you want any modifications for some of these asanas. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with a new video soon. Namaste.